Hello everybody, I'm Sack. Yesterday, I got Cartoon Witch for $35. If you know it cost $50, which is a lot of balance, that is going to have apologies. Now, let's connect and search a witch. Oh wow. The witch is so pretty and cute. Maybe she can be a good witch or evil witch. Don't you think it's nice? As you know, the witch was first appeared in 2014 on Sackboy the Alien franchise. Well, she was a recurring character. But wait, how am I going to compile Cartoon Witch to SFM? This Cartoon Witch is going to compile into SFM. I wonder what she thinks. Now, let's see how it works. Uh-oh, it's exception access violation. Her head don't work because it's no use. Also, VTFedit don't work on the old version, but this software needs to reinstall and update. As you see this installation, this might take in a few minutes or an hour. By now, that's gonna be a problem. So, you can leave a like and drop a comment down there if you like the witch. Alright, thanks. I'll be back on the next video. Hee hee.